Hello everyone, this is Corina from Atelier Mico, and today I'll show you how to create a 3D painting using two colors, green pastel and pink pastel. For this painting you'll need a canvas, fabric which is taffeta, wood glue, acrylics, water-based paint, painting brushes, staple gun, drill press, sawtooth painting hanger and some screws, and some glossy varnish. And now we can begin. You can take the canvas and the wood glue and spread it all over it. Make sure you get it on the margins as well. And now you can bring the fabric, the taffeta, and place it over the canvas. You'll need to water the material in order for the wood glue to stick really well to the canvas and to create the desired model. Also, this material is called taffeta and will allow you to do bigger waves and to get nicer shapes. And now take a big brush and spread the wood glue all over the material. This painting I went with vertical lines to separate the two colors, the green pastel and the pink pastel. But you can let your imagination run free and create the design that you think it's the best. And when you are done with the model, let the painting dry for 24 hours. And now it's time to do the back of the painting, to take the staple gun and to fold the fabric to get a nice and clean back of the painting. And you should do this on every margin of the wood frame. For this half of the painting, I chose pink pastel, which I made with white water-based paint, and I added some red and some yellow. Make sure you blend really well the colors to get an even shade, and then you can start to apply. In this video, I'll show you just one layer, but you need to do at least 3 layers. So you apply the first layer, you let it dry for 24 hours, then apply the second layer and let it dry for 24 hours. And finally the third layer, and also you're gonna let it dry for 24 hours. And for this other half of the painting, I chose a green pastel, like a pistachio pastel. And for this, you'll need to mix together the white water-based paint with the acrylics, with yellow acrylic and a bit of blue acrylic. I also add a tiny portion of red to make it a bit more warm, the green. And as for the other half, you'll need to do 3 layers. So apply the first layer, then let it dry for 24 hours. Then apply the second layer and let it dry for another 24 hours. And the final and third layer, apply it and then let it dry for 24 hours. And because I wanted a glossy finish, the top coat is a glossy varnish, and I'm gonna apply it over the entire painting. And first of all, you need to clean really well the painting. Then you can apply the varnish. You're gonna apply it as you applied the paint. I apply only one layer of varnish, but if you feel like you need to apply the second, you can do this as well. And you need to be really careful on the edges of the painting because this varnish is dripping on the margin and you need to take the surplus. Also, when you are done applying the varnish, you'll need to let it dry for at least 24 hours. And once it's dry, you can apply the sawtooth hanger on the back of the painting. So for this final step, you'll need the sawtooth hanger and 2 screws and the drilling machine. So place the sawtooth hanger in the middle of the painting and take the 2 screws and apply pressure with the drilling machine. This is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and we would be really grateful if you'd like to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Also, if you know someone who'd love to do this, make sure you send the link to them.